Hey Pink Fam, so welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be me cooking samosas. So samosa is one of my favorite foods and I was like, why not make a video about it? So I'm going to show you guys how to make it, the steps, good things to put in it, the process of it, everything. So hey guys, so we are at Walmart now trying to get the samosa wraps, and this is the best place to get it because it's so good. When you get this specific wrap that we get, it's so much better. So I'm gonna show you guys. Let's go. Okay guys, so these are the main ingredients for the samosas: potatoes, cilantro, green onions, spicy peppers, your type, spicy, mild, whatever you want, and then the sheets to make the samosas. Okay, so now I am cutting the potatoes. I'm not gonna cut myself on this. I don't know. So you want to try to make them as small as possible because you're gonna mash them anyway. So it's better if you cut them very small because it cooks faster, I guess. And I'm cutting into these, oh my god, I'm about to cut myself. I'm cutting into these long strips because they're easier to cut. Okay. Okay, so it's easier if you do together, you know. As small as possible because you're gonna mash them anyway. So it's better if you cut them very small because it cooks faster, I guess. And I'm cutting into these, oh my god, I'm about to cut myself. I'm cutting into these long strips because they're easier to cut. We're gonna cut some green onions because it's really good with or in the samosa, I guess. So I don't know. Wait, struggling. Okay, and cut them as small as you can because you don't want big chunks in your mouth. That's just my opinion. Okay, so now we are gonna cut the cilantro. It's gonna taste so good with it. And I heard that you're supposed to cut it from the end to the beginning. I guess it's easier to hold on to it. But again, cut it as small as you can if you like it that way, I guess. Okay guys, so now I cut the potatoes into little chunks. Now the water is really boiled. So when it's boiled, you put the potatoes in there and cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes, I think. Or when they're soft, when they're really soft. Okay, so guys, the potatoes finally boiled. They're soft and everything. Now we're gonna put everything together, the funnest part ever, and let's do it. Okay, so the first is potatoes, the boiled potatoes. We put them in. Yeah. And you drain the water, obviously. So the potatoes are in the bowl. Now you put cilantro, green onions. The best part, the peppers. You know, I'm a spice girl. Now we have the red powder pepper. I don't know what they call it, but we're gonna call it red powder pepper. Okay, that's good. I don't know why I put the spoon. Salt, it's invisible. It's salt though, promise. And crushed pepper, this is optional, I promise. You don't have to put this. But if you love peppers, go ahead. Okay, just need a little bit because they're powerful. Now we have garam masala. No, I'm just joking, guys. We have dhania powder. I'm so funny. Okay, so we have dhania powder. Okay, so we put everything in it. Now we're gonna have the smasher type tool and mix everything together. It's really fun, guys. Trust me, if you do this, is the funnest part. Mix it till everything is well combined. Okay guys, since everything is well combined, fine now. It's time to make the samosas. So the oil is on heat right now at high, and let's start making them. So the first step is to get the samosa / patti, and then, oh my gosh, it's like 1 or 2, okay. So you get a little bit of water, you dab it on the sides, because the water makes it stick together, or if you don't put water, then it's gonna open when you fry them. And you just put a spoonful of the samosa aloo, and then you close it. Please make sure that it's closed really well, because if it's not, then it's gonna like burst open in the oil, and you don't want that. So we're gonna make a couple, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final product when it's done. A little bit. I promise, like when you do a couple, you're gonna get the hang of it, and it's gonna be so much faster and yummy. And when you make them, please make sure you flat it down, because you don't want it too fat, because it doesn't look good, I guess. I'm really slow at this. Okay, so guys, now we made all the samosas we made. We made at least 20 samosas right now, and we have some leftovers over there. And the oil is like really, really, really hot. And like there's a technique to put the samosas in, and it's slide it, and then when you hear that noise, that means it's ready to cook. There. And you just fill up to how many of them can fit, and you only flip it when it's golden brown, okay? See, they're like already golden brown, and yeah. This one is like see, that's the color you want it to be. Okay, so now I'll show you guys the final product when it's all finished. So guys, they are finally made after several minutes later. It didn't take that long, but now this is the final product. They're golden brown the way they're supposed to be. And now this is chutney and this is yogurt. Either one is so good with it. So yeah, we're gonna try. I'm gonna try one piece and see the review. Can't talk, so hot, but it's so good, guys. It's 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10. It's like perfect, and I love it so much. And just for the fun of it, I literally just got that sheet and fried it, and it's like really, it's like they call it papad, and it's so good. It's just so good. So you guys should try it. Make sure you comment down below if you like this recipe and what recipes you guys want me to make more, and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, so thank you for watching, Pink Fam, and let's go on to the next video next Saturday.